I've been hearing a lot about Arbella Insurance lately. They're a regional insurer based in New England, and they've built a reputation for strong customer service and community focus. But is Arbella really a smart choice, or just another small carrier competing against the big names? Let's find out. Arbella Insurance is a regional property and casualty company serving Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, and New Hampshire. Their big promise? Reliable coverage for drivers, homeowners, and businesses, backed by the local touch of independent agents who know the community. Here's how it works. For auto insurance, Arbella offers the basics: liability, collision, and comprehensive, plus extras like roadside assistance, accident forgiveness, and pet injury coverage. For homeowners, you'll find protection for your house, personal belongings, and liability, with options like water backup, identity theft protection, and equipment breakdown. They also offer renters and condo insurance, as well as business policies tailored for small and mid-sized companies. You usually work through a local agent, but once you're set up, you can manage payments, access ID cards, and file claims online or through their mobile app. Now for the pros. First, local expertise. Arbella is deeply rooted in New England, and customers often praise their independent agents for being knowledgeable and responsive. Second, coverage options. They offer a good mix of standard and optional protections, so you can customize a plan to fit your needs. Third, community focus. Arbella invests in local charities and organizations, which builds goodwill and trust. Fourth, financial stability. They've been around since the 1980s and are considered strong when it comes to claims paying ability. But there are a few cons. Arbella is limited to just 4 states, so if you move or live outside their region, you won't be able to get coverage. Because they work through agents, they don't have the same direct-to-consumer setup or flashy digital tools as some national or app-first insurers. Pricing is competitive, but not always the lowest. You might find cheaper options if you're shopping purely for price. And while most customers praise their service, some reviews mention delays in claims processing or communication gaps. So who's Arbella really for? If you live in New England, value working with a local agent, and want an insurer that's deeply connected to your community, Arbella is a strong fit. But if you want a nationwide carrier, a fully digital experience, or you're only chasing the cheapest premium, you might want to look elsewhere. My verdict? Arbella is a dependable regional insurer that delivers solid coverage and strong service. They may not have the size of national companies, but their local roots and customer-first approach make them stand out where they operate. So what do you think? Would you trust Arbella with your coverage, or stick with a bigger nationwide brand? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read them all. And if this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.